my god. It is finally here. They finally dropped a demo for the Resi 4 remake. I'm sorry I'm getting to this a little bit late. I have been... Oh. I have been rather busy. So when I saw this was out, I just had to go and try it. New game, straight up. It has been such a while since I played the first Resident Evil 4, like the original. And that game was a very good game. I really enjoyed it. People go out of their way to say it's one of the best video games, which I think is a bit of an overstatement, but... Oh, maybe an understatement, I don't know, but it is quite a good game.
September 30th, 1998.
Oh, here we go.
It's a day I'll never forget.
That's Resident Evil 2, isn't it? Yep.
That night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others.
That's the end of Resident Evil 3,
so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program.
The
Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me.
That's Jack Krauser.
At least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain. Even for a second.
Kendo!
This time,
Ada!
it can be different. It has to.
You've been through a lot, Leon. The Resi 2 remake was one of my favorite Resident Evil games. I really enjoyed it. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident. An unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter, that is Ashley. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma cannot prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity that he would find there. And they're just throwing us straight into it. Look at this shit. Oh my word. See what's taking so long? I don't know, the release of this game? They worked hard on this. I mean, look at this. Is this the beginning of the game? Because this is a demo, and sometimes they put demos in the most weirdest spots, but... Whoa. Sprint? But the beginning of the original, like, the forest is so much lighter. Like, it's like misty in the morning or something. Now it's just dark and ominous. I love it. Look at this. Trees in my way. What is that? Hello? Are we gonna come across that house? What is that? Nah, I don't want anything to do with whatever that is. Okay, let's just keep looking around. The thing is, I know how this goes, kind of, but since it's a remake, they could have added stuff.
How far could he have gone?
You can sprint now. Oh, I sprinted before, I just pressed the button by accident. This was not in the original. Oh shit. Ugh. No, I don't want anything to do with that either. Okay, let's just assume that everything in this forest I don't want anything to do with. Okay. Leon's been through enough. He doesn't need this shit. Is this the house? Is this the one where we start? You couldn't crouch in the original, but I've heard they've added stealth to this game. Look at this environment. I love it. This really adds to the whole mood. The Ganado is going to come out and attack you. Excuse me. Sorry that I am entering unannounced, but I appear to be looking for a woman named Ashley. Anyone home? This is cool. Oh, what's this? So, judgment is nigh. I think they speak Spanish if I remember correctly, but I never understood what they were saying. File obtained. That looked like some kind of crucifix or something. Is there anything else I can grab? Oh, I'm so looking forward to the full game. I'm not sure if I'll play the full game on my channel, but it's a big old maybe. We'll have to see what happens. Still no one around. Still crouching, so the option of stealth is there if I need it. I thought those were like weapons or something, but you're gonna be flung at me sooner or later. The door there, what's that say? Words. I can't speak Spanish all that well. Oh, is this the new interact menu? That looks cool. It's much different from Resident Evil 2 and 3. Excuse me. Oh, here we go. Oh shit. This is the room with the dude, isn't it? Oh, yep, it definitely is. Oh, look at those eyes!
Sorry to barge in like this.
Uh-huh.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Oh. Leon actually speaks Spanish. Did he do that? Did he do that in the original? I don't remember, but that is damn impressive, Leon. You should probably get a move on because we know what that dude's gonna do, yeah. No! Oh shit. Nice. Oh, Leon is so... Oh gosh. This looks so good. Leon is like such a different person in this game that he was in the second game.
This is not good.
Better not get up there, here's my gun. Oh, the UI is the same, look at that shit. Hunter's Lodge key. It's kind of like a bit of the Resident Evil 8, like village whatever, like menu, like interact item menu. And like, I don't know what the normal Resi for. National Police Corps Mario Ferdinand Castano, police officer. Okay. Am I just gonna leave that there? This is the poor guy's grave then, I guess. Nope, no. Nothing, none of that, please. Why would I be looking at that? That was weird. In the original, like, you would shoot that guy and take him out, like, right here. You better not come back, because I've got a gun and I'm not afraid to use it. Here you go. Ah. Hello. Oh, shit. It's a good thing you have a flashlight. Oh, don't like that. That looks dangerous to be under. And unless it conveniently falls into me, that would be so unfortunate. Such an unfortunate way to go. Can I read that note? No. Oh god. Oh, rats. Oh, this is from the demo. I'm not the demo. This is the demo. The trailer. Can I find the dead police dude? Yeah, this is new to me because this was not in the original. I don't think. Like going into the basement and all. Like you would just shoot the dude and jump out the window. Ugh. Ugh. Hello?
Read you. What's your situation?
Shit.
What the hell's going on?
Hey man, if that could be explained from the start, maybe leaving wouldn't be such a bad idea right now. Ugh, don't like that. Why is Leon like grunt every time I aim? I'm not very good with the controller on shooting, so we'll see how this goes. I'm so sorry, police officer. You don't deserve this nonsense. You were just at the wrong place at the wrong time in this person's basement, okay?
What was that?
Oh, this is from the demo. I don't know what I'm to do. Oh shit.
Fucking way.
No. Hello? No shit. Oh shit, he is there. Oh shit. I'm out of here, I'm out of here. Run, Leon, don't even look at that ugly face. He doesn't need another kick, he already said it. Oh shit, I lost a lot of health. doing that. Oh. I immediately crouched because that looked... Fuck, okay, let's not, okay, is this the part where you jump out the window upstairs? Where am I going? Sorry, Leon. Probably look like a lunatic, but... The house layout has changed a bit, cut me some slack. And I'm trying to take in the good scenery. By good scenery, it's not good, but it's good graphics, alright? That is Ashley. Oh, is this where Hunnigan?
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your
Yep.
sit rep?
Yo, wow, look at that.
Baby Eagle.
To me, Hunnigan always looked like,
Our intel was correct
what's her
then.
name?
Well
Sheva
done.
from Resident Evil 5.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy
No.
that. I'll see what I can find.
From those who played the original?
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are. Gotta go. Talk later.
Yeah, I'm a bit busy right now with these fucks trying to
Let
kill me.
myself out.
Yep. Come on, it's your turn now. I'm checking out now, come on. So boring. Stop staring, Leon, we gotta go. We don't have time for that. Yeah, but from those, head for the lake. From those who played the original, we know what's in that lake, and it wasn't fun for me specifically when I played that, but... Oh, okay, cool. Weapons. But I have 6 bullets. Do I have ammo for that bullets? Who knows? But there probably will be some lying around. Ooh. I think there was a bridge in the original, but there were dudes standing in front of it. Okay, I hope we don't have to run away from a giant boulder this time, because that was very annoying. Like, those random quick time events in the original was not really my cup of tea. That's probably like the only thing that was a bit of annoying about the game, but... Hello? Oh, this is so cool. It's getting lighter now. Or was it just me? Oh, sorry, I'm yawning a bit. I did wake up early just to come play this. Oh, yes, the handgun ammo looks exactly the same. Like a little red box. I think the shotgun bullets were like a green box and TMP ammo was in like a blue box. Is there, where, oh there. I was gonna say, where am I supposed to go? Why am I going through the collapsed building? Save point! I can't save! Is he gonna play that gunpowder? Yeah, that was not in the original. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, that's so cool. I like that. Crafting material can be used to craft a variety of ammo. That was not in the original. In the original, there was no gunpowder. You would just pick up whatever you got. Gunpowder plus whatever that blue stuff is. Shotgun shells. Okay. Knife. I haven't used the knife besides hashing boxes. Hello? Stealth is a thing in this game, so we're gonna be like Last of Us in the shit a little bit. Yep, definitely it's getting lighter. Look at this. Oh no! Well, I'm so sorry. In the original, we could have saved the dog from the bear trap. Could I have done this, but I was just way too late? Oh no, I'm so sorry. No, really, I am so sorry. I just don't know. Leon doesn't seem to like it though. I know, Leon, I know. It's hard to look at. Let's just grab those bullets and then we'll be on our way. Oh, I think I do remember a car. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab this. You guys are nothing. Oh, it's currency. For the merchant dude, yeah. Okay, I don't know if I can sneak past them, but I'm gonna try. The knife I've heard is more useful in this game. Like you can actually use it to like parry attacks and even block the chainsaw guy. Excuse me. Yeah, like that. Oh! Oh shit, no. No, thank you. That felt good, not gonna lie. That felt good. I don't want any part of this. Alright. Oh, what the fuck? Oh shit, run, Leon! Oh my god! No, no, no. No, everyone knows. There's no need for this. Yeah. What's this? Oh shit, it said R2, I pressed it, but then he did that. I don't want to waste ammo on these two guys, I'm just gonna go this way. And I think this might lead to that village section. It's auto-saving, oh, they're gone now. I think most of us might know what's gonna happen here. It's this spot. I am not ready for this. Telescope. I want there to be more sections like this in this game, where you look through the telescope and like observe. And you're gonna burn the dude alive. Yep. Sorry, police officer.
Shit.
You just ain't cut out for this kind of work, for, like dealing with these creeps. You like stealth your way through this. Hi guys. I'm definitely one of you. This is so normal. See the chicken? Sorry, I might have.
Here we go.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Indeed. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. I remember you can shoot that. Yeah. Oh, they did.
Repairs later.
Nah, they did it themselves. Oh shit! I didn't use my knife. Okay. That's fine. Red herb. We all know how important these can be. No, 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 no. Oh, get off me! I tried to parry that and I failed miserably. Yeah. No, you're terrible. Bro! Fuck off me. Oh god, I don't know what I'm doing, guys. If memory serves, the shotgun should be in that house over there. Let's go and get that. No, 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 fuck you. Jesus, these guys are fast. Get out of here. The shotgun should be upstairs. Hi, everyone. I know I wasn't invited to the party, but come on.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Yeah. I need more knives, though.
It's my lucky day.
Money! I don't think money's gonna help me right now. Oh, just run. Oh fuck, Leon, run, 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 run. Shotgun! Yes! Okay, cool.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, oh nice. This sucks. Can I push the ladder down?
Way's closed.
Yep, sorry guys, don't come this way. I didn't ask for this, I'm so sorry. I've gotta fight you guys off. Just jump. Green herb. Hi, and also bye. Green herb, cool. Oh, so I don't have to, it's like a trigger thing. What's that? Oh, I need Ashley for that, that's a boost. Okay. What is that, gunpowder? Can I make stuff? Craft. Oh, you gotta hold it. Oh my word, that's cool. And yellow herbs exist, which I think increase your max life. That's a new crafting system. I like that. No, I don't want any part of those. You guys are fucking fast! No, 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 no. I'm spamming the button. Get off of me.
You're shitting me.
Yeah. Shit, I'm so sorry, Leon. Like, these guys are so fast. Oh shit. No, thank you. Can I put the ladder back up? Oh god. No. No, thank you. Fucking hell! They're everywhere. I think there's like a little section up here. Oh god. I missed the grenades. The grenades are very useful in the original. I don't need gunpowder, for fuck's sake. Okay, at least that would have been buckets of them. Oh, I can't vault over there.
You gotta be kidding me.
I'm sorry, I don't know where... This is so different. Shotgun shells. Okay, I'm gonna need to find more of that. Okay. Oh shit, I'm so terrible. These guys move way faster and I'm not okay with that. Green herb, let's just go ahead and make that. Oh, they gave me that thing back, so that's nice, I guess. I think I'll hold on to it for now. What the fuck? Okay, maybe this is my... Is this an actual grenade or is this a flash fucking grenade? It said hand grenade, so I'm gonna assume it is. Yeah, big present. Okay, well, that definitely did not sound like a flash grenade. Oh fuck, you guys are everywhere! Oh shit, I didn't even do that. Okay, well. Hey. That was uncalled for. I mean, good arm. Oh fuck. I saw like a red thing on the ground and I think that means ammo. I just need to outrun these fucks. Fuck, you guys are so fast! Okay, I tried to execute to do that, it didn't let me. I pressed the button. I could really use more bullets. Oh shit. Can't believe I got away from that shit. Okay. No.
Bill me for the repairs later.
No.
You're shitting me.
I wish. No. I go this way. I have a strong feeling that here leads to another dead end. There you go. I can't climb up. Hell yeah. No, thank you. None of that. When did you get in here? Is that the spinal? Oh no, it's just... Oh, hi. Leon, what the fuck? Don't let her stop you. No, thank you. Guys, I need to aim like a little bit more. I can... Oh shit. I guess you can like aim a little bit more to the left.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Hi, yes, that's... Oh shit. I'm gonna go this way. Alright. You can't teleport us here. I have a feeling he's right behind me. Oh. Fuck you. Oh, brown chicken egg, great. I remember those. Please don't randomly be here. Okay, great.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh shit. Okay, yo. I'm going this way, okay. Oh fuck, I was apparently not, okay. Equip, what am I gonna do with that? Oh, I am so running out of bullets. Melee! There we go. Okay, great.
Huh?
Oh, what's that, I wonder?
Él nos invoca. Tenemos que servir.
Okay.
Al Lord Sadler todo.
I've got that same look on my face here, I'm like, what the fuck? Okay, it was fun. It was fun fighting you all. And there's that Los Illuminados, I believe it was called.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
If only. Ah, that was good. That was super cool. I was trying to get used to that combat so much, but I was kind of getting the hang of it, like landing that headshot and then going for the melee afterwards is super weird. Hey, I did good on money. I don't understand why they put that there. You can't use it in the demo. I would have preferred to have more ammo. Thanks for playing. It's going to be available. Okay, great. On that date. I might play this on the channel. We'll have to see. But this was super good. I really enjoyed this. It was just a small demo to give you like a taste of what's to come for Resident Evil 4. And I'm super excited. Like, I might play it on the channel, but if I don't, I'm probably going to play it in my spare time. But even then, great. Like, I just don't understand why they put money in there, like the currency, if you don't talk to the merchant at all. In this demo, I would have preferred to have more ammo. Like, coming across ammo in that village section there was so scarce. Like, I died because I went for like 3 shotgun bullets, and like, I got cornered and then I got killed. So, that was just very weird. I would have preferred if there was more ammo. Like, and they gave me a lot of gunpowder, but the gunpowder needed like a second thing that you needed with to craft more ammo. But the thing is, gunpowder wasn't there in the original. So more crafting is going to be involved. The crafting system is also different. Well, it was called combining, but now it's called crafting. So that's what I'm assuming it's going to be from now on, crafting. But that was really fun. It was a short little taste of Resident Evil 4 Remake. Might do this on the channel. We'll have to see. But if you enjoyed this video, there's a like button down there just waiting to be pressed. And I appreciate it if you do subscribe, because it does keep me motivated as well. And yeah, there's not really much to say. I woke up early in the morning for this. And as always, I'll see y'all friendos later. Bye bye!